Okay, now I will show you Shenzhen Lobo Company second generation traffic light controller system with vehicle detector function and push button function. This one is master controller. This one is slave controller. It collects the vehicle light, red, yellow, green, and connect red, green pedestrian light. This one is push button. This is loop. That one is vehicle detector. And that one is the pedestrian push button receiver. Now I will show you how the vehicle detector function working. Usually, if this junction not detect the vehicles, this junction traffic lights green time will running one by one direction. You can see east direction, south direction, west direction, and north direction. It will running one by one direction. The running green time, you can set it. Now you can know this junction traffic lights running one by one direction. And if one direction detects the vehicles, this direction is the west direction. If this direction detects the vehicle, see what happened. Now you can see after the east direction green time finish, it will jump to the west direction vehicle green time running. Now you can see it no need to wait the south direction green time. So the vehicles in this direction will no need to wait. This is intelligent. If this west direction still detects the vehicle, the green time will add. Okay, now I show you how the push button working. Now you can see press it. Now you can see the west direction pedestrian light green time is running. No need to wait the east direction, south direction green time. It reduced the waiting time and it's more intelligent. That's all.